Hey YouTube, this is your girl, the hair guru Carla, and I'm back with another video. Well, in today's video, I am doing a ponytail slash bun on my client. As y'all can see, she has severe alopecia. She said she hasn't worn a ponytail in years. Also, she told me she used every hair growth treatment there is to use. She also went to the doctor and there is nothing growing. None of her hair is growing back. So she just wanted to get a ponytail done, and she came to me to see what I can do. As y'all can see, the middle don't have any hair. So as y'all can see, I'm doing the braiding process in the middle where there's no hair. I added the caniculon here, and I'm gonna go ahead and sew that down. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make a base for me to add some hair to hold the bun or the ponytail. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sewing the hair down to give it more stability and for it to be sturdy. So then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do a little crochet method with the caniculon here to add some hair for the ponytail. So y'all can keep watching and stay tuned in to see how I did this method. Also, her face is gonna be out of the frame because she don't want her face to show in the video. So I have to respect her wishes. Also, while y'all leaving y'all comments to save y'all some time, I know some of you gonna ask, why not just wear a wig? She's been wearing a wig for years and she's tired of it. We're in Florida and it's too hot. So she wanted something different and she don't want to wear a wig. Also, she do not have any relaxer. Her hair is natural. She haven't had a relaxer in years. So, I'm trying to straighten up the hair the best way I can, as straight as I can. So, like I said, to save y'all some time with asking about a wig, she wore wigs for years and she don't want to wear it. She wants something different. She want to change for the holidays, and that's what she want, a ponytail or a bun. So, y'all stay tuned in and y'all can watch the technique. So now I'm trying to protect her hair from the glue. So I added the Gots to Be glued spray. Then I added the paper wraps. Then I put the stocking cap on. And then I sprayed the Gots to Be glued again to hold the front down because I'm sewing the back to her hair. That's the whole the paper and the stocking cap down. But the front is sprayed with the Gots to Be glue, and that's going to prevent the glue from getting onto her hair or scalp. Okay, so this is the ending of my video, ladies. As y'all can see, even if y'all don't have any hair in the middle, it's possible y'all can still get a ponytail or a bun. So if y'all like the hairstyle or the video, y'all give me a thumbs up. Y'all can leave y'all comments, and thank y'all for watching. Until my next video, stay blessed.